Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Education. Today I am going to discuss about dot product. Let's begin with the dot product. This operation takes two vectors and gives you a single number or a scalar. To calculate it, we first define our two vectors here. Vector A, that is AxI plus AyJ plus AzK. Another vector B is equal to Bxi plus Byj plus Bzk. The dot product involves multiplying corresponding component and then adding them up. But first remember these simple rules. For our unit vector I, j and k, if you dot product a unit vector itself like I dot I, so that will give 1. J dot j, that will give 1, and k dot k, that will give 1. If you dot product two different unit vector like I dot j, that is actually equal to 0, and j dot k equal to 0. When we formally expand the dot product like here a dot b, so we get 9 components like axi, ayj, azk, bxi dot bxi plus byj and bjk. Now here this and this will get AxBx I dot I, AxBy I dot j. So from with this we will do the dot product all these three like that way, so we will get 9. Now for the simplification, because any term with dot product for different unit vector, that is become 0. Most of these 9 terms simply vanish. Only terms where you multiply the same component, that is remain. So now here if you see the earlier, so this term I dot j, that will be vanish out, ijk, that will be vanish out, ji vanish out, jk vanish out, that ki vanish out, k dot j vanish out. All you can see here. So this term and this term, other term will be vanish out. So now here all term with distinct unit vector dot products become 0. So final result is a scalar. So a dot b is nothing but axbx plus ayby plus azbz. What is the physical significance? The dot product yields a scalar quantity that represents the projection of one vector onto another, or the effectiveness of the one vector in the direction of another. So it often signifies from form of work of power. Like work of power, so F dot V, force dot velocity, gives power, the rate at which work is done by a force. Means force apply along same direction of the velocity, so that combined with give only single value, that is scalar. Now a crucial application is in the convective term of the energy and species balance equation. Here V dot nabla T, that represents the rate of temperature change experienced by a fluid particle due to its motion through a temperature gradient. Now the example, if a fluid in x direction Vx and temperature change in the x direction, that is or dou T by dou x, then Vx dou T by dou x contributes to how much the fluid temperature change is as it moves. So that is these are the physical significance of dot product. Thank you.